Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I'm going to show you how to fix copy and paste problem in Microsoft Word to PowerPoint or any other Microsoft applications you try to copy and paste. You couldn't. Okay, for example, let me show you. I want to try to copy this text, Control C, and then I will do Control V. See, this is error. We are sorry, something went wrong that might make PowerPoint unstable. Please save your presentation and restart PowerPoint. Because of this error, I can't Control V and paste directly. Yeah, so this copy and then I paste like that. Okay, you just choose how to paste. Paste using text only. Then you can fix the problem. Okay, choose paste text only. Then you can fix the problem. Let me repeat. Control C cannot. You do Control C, Control V cannot. Let me do another text box. Control V cannot. So you right click your mouse, choose this, paste, keep text only. Then it will work. Okay, keep text only, then it will work. Okay, and let's see if you keep source only, it will not show. Keep destination only cannot. Okay, you have to be keep text only. Or you can actually use this paste. This is paste over here. Just this is the same, keep text only. Okay, the paste button is here, or you can right click your mouse. It's the same. There you go. That's how to actually copy and paste, fix the pasting problem from Microsoft Word to PowerPoint and any other Office applications. Yeah. So if you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.